No one really expected this. Blackrock just shocked the whole Shiba Inu community. Literally millions in just a second. The charts are finally aligning. This might be the last chance of our Shiba Inu dreams. What is happening? And what on earth am I even talking about? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. But before we get into it, there's a platform called MemePro that I came across recently. Established in 2025 on the initiative of traders of a closed forum specializing in trading meme and fan tokens. As they state on the website, MemePro is a pioneering platform that offers unparalleled profit potential through the use of advanced AI-driven trading bots tailored specifically for meme coin markets, ensuring users benefit from innovative technology and strategic insights in the rapidly evolving crypto landscape. And that's an interesting point. According to their website, it's a UK-registered proprietary trading company. The site mentions that MemePro is designed to be user-friendly and supports multiple languages. At the bottom right corner of the homepage, you can change the language by selecting your country's flag. Signing up looks pretty straightforward. Just a few basic fields to fill out. Once logged in, there are two main investment plans listed. One is called the Basic Plan, which offers 110% after 24 hours. The other is the Elite Plan, which says it gives 120% after 24 hours. There's also a calculator on the site that lets users estimate potential returns based on their input. Depositing funds appears to be simple. Choose a payment method, enter the amount, and confirm. For withdrawals, the website states that users need to set a withdrawal address in their account settings before making a request. Without doing this, withdrawals won't be processed. In this example, a user withdraws $200, and let's see if it works. Nice. 1 minute passed, and the funds successfully reached the wallet. On their website, you can also find what looks like their MemePro AI trading bot live trades in real time. Not financial advice. And you might definitely want to do your own research. But that's definitely an interesting one. Just remember that crypto might be risky, and make sure to only invest what you can afford to lose. If you're interested in checking out MemePro for yourself, head over and explore what they have to offer. All the important links are in the description below. So now let's get back to the video. Something massive just dropped today. Blackrock just sent shockwaves through the entire Shiba Inu community. Out of nowhere, they made a move that no one saw coming, and it's not just huge. It could change everything. This isn't some small play. This is the kind of move that could shift the whole landscape, and it's already stirring up serious noise in the crypto world. Shiba Inu has been going absolutely wild today, and honestly, this might be the spark that pushes it toward that 1 cent dream we've all been waiting for. One analyst even said, this might be your last real chance before things go parabolic. That's how serious this is. Now you might be wondering, wait, has this already affected Shiba Inu's chart? Oh yeah, big time. According to one analyst, Shiba Inu just smashed through a major wall it's been stuck behind for a while. That resistance level? Gone. And that's a huge deal. Why? Because it now opens the doors for an even bigger run. The charts are showing that things are heating up. There's this crossover happening between two key moving averages. It's a classic bullish signal that a lot of traders look for before they go all in. Volume, rising, sentiment, turning full-on bullish. Even the RSI, which usually tells us if something's overbought or oversold, is still sitting in a comfy spot. That means there's still plenty of room for Shiba Inu to run. Right now, Shiba Inu is trading in this really important zone. Some call it the decision zone. If it manages to stay above this sweet spot, the next push-up could be explosive. And it's not just technicals doing the talking. Across the market, there's a renewed excitement for altcoins, and Shiba Inu is right in the middle of that wave. With Blackrock stepping in and technicals lining up perfectly, this might not just be a pump. This could be the start of something way bigger. Something that finally proves the doubters wrong. If you're holding Shiba Inu right now, or thinking about it, you might be sitting on a moment that we'll all look back on and say, yep, that was the turning point. So, what just happened? BlackRock just bought over $150 million worth of Ethereum. Yeah, you heard that right. One of the biggest asset managers in the world just loaded up heavy on crypto, and they didn't go small. That kind of money, that kind of move, it's not just random, it's calculated. And it means something big is coming. And get this, whales are loading up too. The big players are quietly stacking their bags, and when that starts happening, it usually means they know something the rest of the market doesn't. Now you might be thinking, okay, but what does this mean for Shiba Inu? Here's why this is really big. Whenever Ethereum gets that kind of bullish attention from giants like Blackrock, it tends to lift the whole ecosystem with it. And Shiba Inu? It's deeply tied to Ethereum's movements. So if Ethereum takes off, Shiba Inu usually follows close behind, but even faster and harder. It's like rocket fuel for the meme king. And here's the crazy part. At the exact same time this Blackrock news dropped, one analyst dropped a bombshell take. Shiba Inu might have just gotten a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. According to an analysis shared by Zelftrade on TradingView, Shiba Inu is showing signs of something big brewing. He said this could be the final chance for a massive rally. And if Shiba Inu responds to the trend forming now, we might see a major breakout. Right now, Shiba Inu has been consolidating. Yeah, it's been quiet. In fact, it's had a rough few weeks, posting 7 red candles in the last 8. But that's exactly what makes this moment interesting. Despite all that, it's holding strong at a major support zone. Back in April, it bounced from that same level and pumped over 70% before cooling off. Zelftrade believes Shiba Inu could rally twice its current price if it bounces again. That would push it to its highest level in half a year. And when you line that up with the sudden bullish shift from BlackRock and whales piling in, it really makes you wonder, is something massive about to hit? Is this all just coincidence? Or is this the early signal of a Shiba Inu run that could shock everyone? The signs are all there. Big money flowing in, strong support holding, and analysts spotting patterns that usually show up right before things go wild. And we're seeing it right now. The chart is starting to position itself, and things are lining up perfectly. Shiba Inu has just surged past a major resistance level, something it's been trying to break through for weeks. This breakout is a huge signal, because it clears the way for a possible rally toward that next big target up ahead. It's not just a random pump. This is happening right after Shiba Inu broke above its 26-day moving average, which had been acting like a ceiling all this time. That move alone shows that the momentum has officially flipped. For weeks, price action had been quiet, compressed, steady, and honestly, a little boring. But behind the scenes, accumulation was happening. Smart money was buying under the radar, while most people were distracted. And now, all of that quiet buildup is turning into something real. Since hitting that bottom in late June, Shiba Inu has been making higher moves, slowly forming a strong bullish pattern. The technicals? They're showing something that only shows up right before big moves. There's this crossover between the 50-day and 26-day averages. Basically, 2 key trend lines are meeting, and that's a classic sign that pressure is building. It means volatility is dropping and energy is being stored. When that tension snaps, boom, the chart makes a sharp move, and right now, everything is pointing up. This isn't just a lucky break either. It fits perfectly with the bigger story. BlackRock stepping into crypto, Ethereum getting loaded by whales, and Shiba Inu holding strong even when the market was shaky. All signs are syncing up. The support zone is holding. Momentum is shifting. And the bullish formation? It's there, clear as day. It's like everything is finally falling into place. From price structure to institutional activity, it all points to one big possibility. Shiba Inu might be getting ready for its next big run. And this is just super exciting, because according to one analyst, big things are coming to Shiba Inu. He pointed out something huge. Ethereum is leading the charge, and that usually means one thing. Altcoin season is right around the corner. Now, if you've been in crypto for a while, you know what that means. When Ethereum starts heating up and gaining traction, it often triggers a domino effect across the entire altcoin market. It's like Ethereum opens the gates, and everything else starts pumping right behind it. And guess what? Shiba Inu isn't just any altcoin. It's one of the most popular, most watched, and most volatile in the game. So when things move, Shiba moves fast. This is massive for Shiba Inu, because we're no longer in a random sideways market. Things are shifting. Ethereum is gaining institutional interest. BlackRock literally just threw over $150 million into it. And the charts are breaking resistance left and right. That's not noise. That's a signal. And here's where it all connects. Shiba Inu has been consolidating, holding key support, and now it's breaking out of that range. It's finally starting to catch that momentum. The technicals are turning bullish, and the whole market vibe is changing. It's like we're right at the start of something bigger, and Shiba Inu is in the perfect position to ride that wave. Altcoin season means money flows into high-potential, high-energy coins, and Shiba Inu fits that profile perfectly. It's affordable, it's backed by a passionate community, and when it runs, it really runs. So yeah, Ethereum is leading the way, and altcoin season looks closer than ever. With Shiba Inu waking up at the same time, breaking resistance, and lining up technically, this could be the perfect storm. We might be watching the early signs of Shiba Inu's next explosive chapter, and it's just getting started. But what is your opinion on this? Comment down below. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Shiba Inu update might make you lose money, so don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get